Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Practical English Break. For today, our topic is the comparative degree of adjectives. In order to give you a very clear idea how to use the comparative degree of adjectives, I would like to do something very practical at the beginning of the class. Before I go to the explanation, I would like to call on three of my students to come over here, and I want to give you some practical examples. So Shahram will stand over there, Umar will stand next to him, and your name?
Nazir.
Nazir will stand next to him. Now look at them. Look at them. I want to use the comparative degree, okay? Among these three students. Shahram is taller than Umar. Umar is taller than Nazir. Nazir is shorter than Umar. Umar is shorter than Shahram. Okay, now your age, if we talk about age. Nazir is younger than Umar. Umar is younger than Shahram. Shahram is older than Nazir. Nazir is older than, Umar is older than Nazir, okay? Yes. Now, let's say they took an exam. They took an exam. And Shahram got 90, Umar got 80, and Nazir got 70. So now Shahram is more intelligent than Umar. Umar is more intelligent than Nazir. Nazir is less intelligent than Umar. Umar is less intelligent than Shahram. So now Shahram is the most intelligent, that is the superlative degree, but we were going to have a separate video about superlative degree, okay? So we're not, working on superlative degree now. We're just working on comparative degree. Now, let's suppose they have the same age. So if we want to use the comparison of equality, then we say Umar is as young as Nazir. Nazir is as young as Umar. Umar is as intelligent as Nazir. Nazir is as intelligent as, which means there's no difference. Equality, the comparison of equality, okay? But the comparison of positive or negative degree, okay, like someone is taller than someone else, or someone is healthier than someone else, or someone is wealthier than someone else. Just to give you a few more quick examples, let's say Shahram has $1 million in his bank account. But Umar has only $50,000 in his bank account. And this little boy, Nazir, has only $2,000 in his, he doesn't have bank account, but okay. So now, who is wealthier? Shahram is wealthier than Umar. Umar is wealthier than Nazir. Okay, Nazir is less wealthy than Umar. Umar is less wealthy than Shahram. So this is how we use the comparative degree of adjectives. Okay, after these practical examples, let me explain the structures over there on the whiteboard and some more examples over there. Please have a seat. So let's begin with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, who is very kind and merciful. First of all, I want you to pay attention to these words over here. So look, we have one-syllable adjectives, okay? We have two-syllable adjectives which end with Y. And we have two or more than two-syllable adjectives which don't end with Y. If it's one-syllable adjective and you want to use the comparative degree of these kind of adjectives, only add R or ER to the adjective. Okay, look, short, shorter, tall, taller, young, younger, old, older, clean, cleaner, hard, harder. Okay? And if the adjective is two-syllable adjective like wealthy and healthy and pretty and angry and hungry, there are a lot, okay? Then, in the same way, just change Y to I, and after that, add ER. For example, healthy in comparative degree would become healthier. See, change Y to I and then add ER. Healthier, wealthy, wealthier, and pretty, prettier. So they are used in the same way. For example, you can say he is shorter than her or she is shorter than her, and you can also say he is wealthier than her or she is wealthier than her. Okay, so in the same way. But if your adjective is more than one syllable, it could be two, like modern. Modern, two syllables, right? It could be more than two, like intelligent, four syllable adjective. Okay? So if it is two syllable adjective and it doesn't end with Y, or if it's more than two syllable adjective, okay, in that case we use more or less whenever we're trying to use them in comparative degree. How? For example, Japan is more modern than Afghanistan. Afghanistan is less modern than Japan. So in this case, we use more for positive degree and less for negative degree. Okay? Or for example, she is more intelligent than him or he is more intelligent than her. Okay? So now let's look at these structures. So the first structure is for the comparison of equality. The comparison of equality. So at the beginning, you have noun or pronoun. A noun or pronoun. Jamal or he, Kamal or he, Shahla or she, okay? And then you need a to be verb, is, am, are, was, were, according to the tense, okay? And after that, as, adjective, as. And then noun or pronoun, and if there is anything else, that will be rest of the sentence. So let's match the first example. What is Jamal here according to the structure over here? What is Jamal over here? Okay, it's a noun. Okay, so Jamal is a noun. And then what is according to the structure, it is a to be verb, right? And then as, okay, the adverb as. And strong is what? Adjective. And then as, okay, and then Shahla, okay, another noun. If you have anything else, that will be rest of the sentence. Okay, so Jamal is as strong as Shahla. Okay, Shahla is as strong as Jamal. Okay, so this is the comparison of equality. Okay, which means that both of them are, strong. Okay, they are equal in strength. Understood? Okay, so and if you want to use pronouns, then keep in mind that at the beginning you use subject pronoun, but at the end you use object pronoun. Don't forget this, okay? So he is as strong as her, okay? He is as strong as me, as him, as you, okay? But you do not say he is as strong as I or he's as strong as, they, okay? He is as strong as them, okay? Or if you want to use subject pronoun, you may say he is as strong as she is, or he is as strong as I am, or he is as strong as they are. But that will be somehow like more formal. In spoken English, it's okay. You can just use, object pronoun over here. Okay? Yes. And structure number 2. Now, this is the comparison. This structure is for one syllable, okay, adjectives. One syllable adjectives. Or two syllable adjectives which end with Y. The ones that I explained over there, okay? So this structure is used for those two types of adjectives. Now, noun or pronoun at the beginning of your sentence, a to be verb, adjective, are or er. If the adjective already has e, you just add are. If it doesn't have e, okay, then you add er, okay? And if it's a two-syllable adjective which ends with y, then change y to I, and after that add er, okay? And then the word then, okay? And then noun or pronoun, and then rest of the sentence. So let's match this example quickly. So Jamal is stronger than Shahla. So what is Jamal here according to the structure? Okay, it's a noun. And what is a to be verb form, okay? And strong is adjective. What is added? Er, okay? Adjective plus er, strong, stronger, okay? And after that, the word then, according to the structure, and then Shahla is a noun. If you have anything else, that will be rest of the sentence. So Jamal is stronger than Shahla. Okay, now if you want to use pronouns, then he is stronger than her, or she is stronger than him. Okay, so yeah, at the beginning you use subject pronoun, and at the end you use object pronoun. Structure number 3 is for adjectives which are more than one syllable. Okay, they could be 2, 3, 4, 5 syllable adjectives. Okay, but they don't end with y. Okay, therefore we use more or less with these kind of adjectives. Okay, so noun or pronoun to be verb form, more or less, more for positive degree and less for negative degree. Okay, so then adjective, the word then, noun or pronoun, and the rest of the sentence. So look at this example. Let's match it. Shahla is more intelligent than Jamal. Okay, so here Shahla is what? It is a noun. Okay, is to be verb. Okay, more according to the structure. Okay, it's an adverb, but we need this specific adverb over here for comparative degree. Okay, more intelligent. Okay, adjective, and then the word. Then according to the structure, and then Jamal is a noun. If you have anything else, that will be rest of the sentence. Okay, so Shahla is more intelligent than Jamal. Now Jamal is less intelligent than Shahla. Jamal is less intelligent than Shahla. And if you want to use pronouns, again, she is more intelligent than him. At the beginning, subject pronoun. At the end, object pronoun. Okay, so this much short explanation is enough. And if you've got any questions, feel free. Okay, if the audience have got any questions, they may write them down in the comment section as well. Okay, so no questions. So everybody think, yes, what's your question? They're both equal. Okay, okay. See, for example, you got 80 marks on the final exam, and he got 80 marks on the final exam. So you are as intelligent as him. Okay, he is as intelligent as you. Okay, so this is the comparison of equality. Understood? Jalalabad is as hot as Peshawar. Peshawar is as hot as Jalalabad. Kabul is as cold as Salang. Salang is as cold as Kabul. Switzerland is as beautiful as Nuristan in Afghanistan. Nuristan is as beautiful as Switzerland in Europe. Okay? Clear?
The adjective is one-syllable.
Yes, it doesn't matter. It could be, yeah, it's a good question. Look, in this case, your adjective could be one syllable, or 2, or 3, or 4, doesn't matter. You just use as before adjective, as after adjective. The word as before and the word as after adjective. Okay, syllable doesn't matter. It could be one syllable, it could be more than one syllable adjective. Good question. Okay, any other questions? Okay, so now everybody think and try to make some examples using the comparison of equality, or these other two structures, and try to make examples. Yep. Yep.
Nazir is as smart as I am.
Yeah. Nazir is as smart as I am, or as smart as me. Okay, that sounds fine. When spoken English, it's okay. Yep.
Ahmad is young as Mahmoud.
As young as Mahmoud. Ahmad is as young as Mahmoud. Yep. You may use the comparative degree over here. One syllable adjectives or two syllable adjectives which end with y, or more than two syllable adjectives or more than one syllable adjectives which do not end with y. So these two structures. Come on.
Yep. Is better than Muslim.
Okay. See, the video is being recorded and it's not a good idea, okay? I'm not going to repeat your example. You can say Atarud is better than many other English learning centers in our country. So yeah, that's a good, but don't specify the other center, okay? Yeah.
Mahmoud is as good learner as I am.
Yeah, Mahmoud is as good as me. For example, yeah. While playing cricket, or at playing cricket, or at playing or something. Yeah.
Kabul city is beautiful than Kunduz.
More beautiful than Kunduz city. Kabul city is more beautiful than Kunduz city. Okay. India is bigger than Pakistan. Pakistan is smaller than India. Huh? So now India is as populated as China. I think China is more populated than India, right?
Yes.
Right? Mm. Yep.
Teacher me teach English in Mustafa.
Okay, okay, no. You're not comparing actions. That is the comparative degree of adverbs, which is coming later, okay? And in the future. So you're comparing people. You can say teacher Ahmad is, for example, better than teacher Jamal. Teacher Jamal is, better than teacher Ahmad.
So I
Or
have a
something.
question. Can you say demonstrative adjectives? So, for example, mine is bigger than you.
Yeah, sure, why not? Yeah. This is better than that. Okay? You use them as pronouns. Like the second person knows what you're talking about, okay? The person is there. So you say, this is better than that one, okay? Possible. Yeah, I got a car, you got a car. So I'm telling you, mine is newer than yours. Yours is older than mine. Yours is older than mine. Again, pronoun. You use a pronoun, possessive pronoun. Yours and mine and his and hers. Yeah, good question. Yep. A few more examples.
English language is less easy than German language.
Okay, look, easy. It's a two-syllable adjective. It ends with Y. So what you do, you change Y to I, and then you add ER. So English is easier than French. Or French is easier than English, okay? Or, for example, Arabic is harder than English or something like that. A few more examples? Yep.
Nazir is as short as me.
Yeah, as short as me or as short as I am, okay? I'm gonna move forward. Okay? Yeah, say, so Nazir is as young as you are. Or Nazir is as young as you, okay? So you have the same age, okay? The same strength, the same height, the same, Nazir is as skinny as you are. You are as skinny as Nazir is, okay? Okay, so I think this much for the comparison of adjective or the comparative degree of adjective is enough. And in the future, we will be covering the superlative degree of adjective as well. Have a great time. Bye-bye.